welcome to the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Please enjoy the episode.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. And I just wanted to take this little brief interlude at the beginning of the video here. As you can see, I'm editing part 41, the final part in this episode 197 series. And there was a 6-week gap in there when I wasn't uploading any videos. Long story short, way too busy, too much going on, wasn't able to even find time to do any editing, so yeah, it kind of slipped through the cracks, but if you're watching this right now, you know that we're back on track. We got things going again, so my sincerest apologies for the gap for those of you that were following along, and hopefully looking forward to the different parts as they were coming out. So yeah, just want to say again, apologies. We'll be back. I'll do a video on what was going on and some other stuff, but that'll be in a couple more episodes. So I'm gonna edit this one here and get it uploaded, and hopefully get a couple more recorded and uploaded, and we'll see what happens. So with that, I'm gonna get back to the regular scheduled program. See you in a few.
Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. And here we are, the final part to this series. And I think this might be around episode 196. I haven't gotten to that point yet. But it's multi-part, and I think including the outro, we were at 41 parts. The intro would be part 0, so part 40 would be the last episode, or the last part, and this will be part 41. So 42-part series, including the intro and the outro. And yeah, it was an interesting process. You probably saw somewhere in there. Sometimes my process icons switched from part to part, and I noticed something, changed it in between the parts, and then drove on. Sometimes I found a setting that was working better, and I had to create a new process icon, and it is what it is. So we'll we saw in the last one, same starting point with the RGB, and then we enhance it, and after the enhancement, that's our fork in the road, and we go down one path where we're applying our luminance and driving forward, and things turned out one way, and we take this route. And even though we're doing it as identical as we can between the two, they look worlds apart. We can do the exact same thing to the same set of data, but we change one thing, and it looks almost completely different. And that surprised me. So this was a fun journey. I had a lot of fun finally narrowing down what my workflow should be and where we're going to go forward as far as what I'm going to be doing for what this stuff is requiring. I'm thinking I need to boost my acquisition frames a bit for some targets, either in time per frame or number of frames, either one. And it was definitely an interesting exercise, to say the least. So I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys got something out of it. I want to reiterate something I said in the intro. You know, I get all this information from other sources. You know, there's a lot of help information inside PixInsight itself, as well as on their forums. But if you're watching me, then you understand you're looking for other sources of information as well to help guide you to do something. I tried to show you what my settings were more than explain what the process is doing, because I don't fully understand what a lot of this does on the back end, and maybe what a lot of it is actually impacting. So, to that end, if you're curious about what a particular process is doing, check out Warren Keller's book, check out the Master of PixInsight workshops, Ron Belcher, Adam Block. There's a bunch of, actually PixInsight just released a, not a master's, but a distinguished users, distinguished contributors. They've got a page now where they have a set of individuals who are the gurus of PixInsight. Ron and Warren being a couple of those, and I think Adam Block was on there as well. And they are the sources of information we should be looking to, because I could say something, I could be completely wrong. People like Warren are actually on the development team that can say, yeah, this is what it's supposed to be doing. What this person is saying is wrong. And to that end, a lot of what they taught during the workshops, I incorporated, and they supplied. Let me finish that thought. So a lot of stuff they taught in the workshops, I incorporated into my workflow because it was a new understanding of how something worked and how that would impact. And then some of the things also were carried over because they supply the process icon set, and I took those and kind of blended some of what they provided into what I have, and you know, it worked pretty well, I think, in the end. So we'll see how all of this transpires, but yes, please go look at the other information. You know, yeah, some of those resources cost money, but you're getting information from the people that help develop and further PixInsight. So by all means, go check them out if you're able to, or if you are inclined to purchase one or more of the workshops from Warren Keller, Ron Belcher, and Pete, I can't think of his last name now, on Masters of PixInsight, EP4 or EP4AP.com is another one that has some free resources on it. Warren Keller's Inside PixInsight book, and yeah, there's several other resources out there as well. So I strongly encourage, go support these individuals, get them, you know, show them your support by buying their product, and you know, then they'll be encouraged to also produce more, which we can then digest. So with that, I'm going to say thanks everybody for watching. Please stay safe and healthy out there. As always, clear skies, and have a good one. Thank you for watching yet another video from the Astrometry Junior channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video we've uploaded. In our lower right, we have what YouTube might think you would enjoy. And in the lower left is our subscription button. Please like this video, subscribe if you so choose. As always, clear skies, have a good one, and remember Duke.